Let's be honest, most business owners hate Excel. And even if you don't, you probably don't know how to build an entire budgeting system using it. That's why I did it for you. I built a plug and play Excel budget tracker that you can copy right now. No formulas, no setup, no learning curves. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it so you can stop guessing and automate your finances today. So watch the video until the end, hit the subscribe button, grab the template, and you're good to go. So this budget tracker absolutely saved my life. I used to bounce around from so many different softwares to try to manage my finances, but nothing actually gave me the clear-cut picture that I was looking for. So I decided to build my own. And now you're going to have exclusive access to it. We're going to leave it down in the caption below. You can simply copy it and use this exact formula. So this saves so much time for business owners, and it also helps you understand how much money you're actually bringing in, which is the most important part. If you don't understand your finances, they're going to come back and beat you. So this is what it looks like when you go. So first thing, as always, make a copy. So simply go to File, Make a Copy. You won't have editing access from the one in the description, but simply go File, Make a Copy, and this whole thing is completely yours. And you can see that the first page goes through the yearly summary. So this is great to just get a bird's eye view of all of your finances. So let's move myself over here. On the yearly summary, you'll see the revenue, your expenses, your net cash flow, if you released any dividends, how much earnings you retained, opening balance, and closing balance. Now you'll also get your true margin, and all of this will be labeled. So now I'll show you an example. Let's say we go to January. So in January, you'll see that you have all of your revenue. You have your subscriptions or software subscriptions. Feel free to change this title for anything, just depending on what you want to run. You have your staff, and I put merchant fees, but you can put taxes, you can put whatever you want in here. Everything in the red is going to calculate as an expense. So let's say that I got a new customer and the amount was $1,000. So you can see it automatically populates here in the revenue section. I'm going to make myself smaller so you can see. And now let's go, I had a software and the amount was $40. You can see it automatically adds it to the expenses and it'll tell you your net cash flow. So now we can just keep going down and you can map it out with all of your statements from the bank and just put in all of the stuff. So staff, let's say I paid, John Doe, and I paid him $500. But then I got another customer, and that was $1,500. So now you're just adding in all of your expenses and all of your revenue, and it populates here. And then you go to February, and let's do the same thing. So we add customers. Let's put another 1,500. Let's do another customer. Let's add it for 2,000. And let's say we got even a third customer for 1,000. And then the software, we'll put, software subscriptions. That cost me $40. I paid John Doe another $500. I paid Jane Doe another $400. You can see it automatically populates here. And the only thing that you want to make sure is you put in your opening balance. So this is your opening balance from the bank account. So this, let's just put 0 for right now. Closing balance was $1,960. Then we go here to February. Opening balance was $1,960. It's going to be the same as the month before. Now closing balance, if we add $1,960 with $3,560, quick math, we'll just call it $6,000. So now if we go back to the yearly summary, you can see that all of these numbers start populating. And you can see that the comparison right here is if it's green, it's increasing. If it's orange, it's stable. And if it's red, it's decreasing. So you want to see decreases in your expenses, but you want to see increases in your revenue and your net cash flow. And it automatically populates here. So now we have revenue, we have expenses, we have our net cash flow, and we have our true margin that's already calculated. So 78%, which is awesome. If any business is rocking that, that is awesome. But just like that, you can have your whole business automated, and you can do January, February, it goes all the way through December, and you just fill it out, and your entire yearly summary will calculate. And then for the next year, you just make another copy, and you do it again. But this helps you stay very organized in your bookkeeping and that you know all of the numbers that are going through your business and how much money is actually hitting the bank account. So if you liked this video, hit the subscribe button. Make sure to download the template, make a copy of the template in the description below, and always make sure to hit the bell notification for all the new videos coming out on how to help you systematize and automate your business. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.